Duke's Wafi presents Sakshi Mathby 2022-23 in association with TRIPS International School, Rajahmundry. Welcome everybody. We have launched this event back in 2015. Ever since we launched it, this is most awaited event for schools across Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. And this 8th edition, more than 500 schools took the test, and students participated, and they gradually came to the next rounds, and they are here competing for gold, silver, and bronze medals. And there's a B Master, Mr. Amir Khan here, who has done 7 or more editions, like this, being a B Master.
Now, we enter into the rules and understand our competition much more better. In the first round, each and every student gets 2 questions each. If they answer both the questions right, then they make it to the next round. If they answer both the questions wrong, then they would be eliminated. If they answer 1 question right and 1 question wrong, then they would be getting a third tiebreaker question, which when answered correctly would make them into the next round. Fine? And let's invite the first contestant onto the chair. Let me invite Krishna Chaitanya from Triveni School. Come on. Average score of a cricketer in 45 matches is 68. If his average score in first 25 matches is 48 runs, the average score in last 20 matches is. Options please. 98, 89, 93, 91.
Option B, 89.
Please lock option B, 89. That's a wrong answer. Option C, 93 is the right answer. No problem, you have one more chance to go. The average of 6 numbers is 3.95. The average of 2 of them is 3.4. While the average of other 2 is 3.85. What is the average of the remaining 2 numbers? Options please. 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8. Last 4 seconds. Sorry dear. Time up. Well played. No problem. Let's invite our next contestant, Aryan from St. Peter's School, Hyderabad. A woman sells to the first customer half her stocks of apples and half an apple. To the second customer, she sells half her remaining stock and half an apple, and so on to third and to fourth customer. She finds that she has now 15 apples left. How many apples did she have before she started selling? Options please. 422, 375, 182, 255.
Option
Please
D.
lock option B, 375. Wrong answer. Option D, 255 is the right answer. No problem, you have one more question to answer. Bombay Express left Delhi for Bombay at 14:30 hours, traveling at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour, and Rajdhani left Delhi for Bombay on the same day at 16:30 hours, traveling at a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. How far away from the Delhi will 2 trains meet? Options please. 120 kilometers, 360 kilometers, 480 kilometers, 500 kilometers.
kilometers.
Lock B, 360 kilometers. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. 480 kilometers is the right answer. No problem. Good participation. Ganesh Raju from Kennedy High, the Global School, Hyderabad. In what ratio must rice at 7.20 per kg be mixed with rice at 5.70 per kg so that the mixture be worth of rupees 6.30 per kg? Options are 1:3, 2:3, 3:4, 4:5.
1:3.
Please lock option A, 1:3. Wrong answer. Option C, 3:4 is the right answer. No problem, you have one more question. The distance between two cities A and B is 330 kilometers. A train starts from A at 8 am and travels towards B at 60 kilometers per hour. Another train starts from B at 9 am and travels towards A at 75 kilometers per hour. At what time do they meet? And your options are, options please, 10 am, 10:30 am, 11 am, 11:30 am.
10:30.
10:30, please lock option B, 10:30 am. Sorry dear, it is 11 am. No problem. Sai Krishna from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Hyderabad. 405 sweets were distributed equally among children in such a way that the number of sweets received by each child is 20% of the total number of children. How many sweets did each child receive? Options please. 9, 15, 18, 45.
Option A, 9.
Please lock option A, 9. Right answer. A sum of money invested at compounding interest amounts to rupees 800 in 3 years and to rupees 840 in 4 years. The rate of interest per annum is, options please, 2%, 4%, 5%, 6%.
C, 5.
Please lock option C, 5%. Is the right one. Midun Sai from Teja Vidyalaya, Udada. The sum of ages of father and his son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their age was 34. The age of son and father are respectively. Options please. 6 and 39, 1 and 38, 10 and 35, 11 and 34.
Option A, 6 and 39.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Please lock option A, 6 and 39. That's the right one. The sum of three numbers in arithmetic progression P is minus 3 and the product is 8. Find the numbers. Options please. 2, minus 1, minus 4, minus 4, minus 1, 2, 4, minus 1, minus 2. Yeah, D, both A and B.
Option B.
Option?
Option B.
Please lock option B, minus 4, minus 1 and 2. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. Option D is the right answer. No problem. Abhiraj from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. The average of three numbers is 18. If the largest number is replaced by number 38, then the average of the three numbers is 23. The original number that was replaced is, you have to guess the original number that was replaced. Options please. 53, 23, 15, none of these. Last 12 seconds.
Option A.
Please lock option A, 53. That's the wrong one. Option B, 23 is the right answer. No problem, you have one more chance. The longer side of a parallelogram is 81 centimeters and the altitude is 16 centimeters. If the length of the shorter side is 24 centimeters, what is the altitude corresponding to the shorter side? Options please. 16, 24, 54, 28.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 54. That's the right one. Let's move on and call upon Pratnya from Vikas Concept School, Bachapalli, Hyderabad. Arun lent rupees 10,000 on 1st January 2000 to his friend Justin at 5% simple interest, which amounts to rupees 18,000 after certain period of time. Find the date on which he will get the amount. Options please. 31st December 2016, 31st December 2015, 31st December 2014, 31st December 2013. He lent at January 1st January 2000.
B 2015.
Option B is the right answer. 8 liters are drawn from a castle full of wine and is then filled with water. This operation is performed 3 more times. The ratio of the quantity of the wine now left in the castle to that of water is 16:65. How much wine did the castle hold originally? Options please. 18 liters, 24 liters, 32 liters, 42 liters.
D 42 liters.
Please lock option D, 42 liters. That's a wrong one here. Option B, 24 liters is the right answer. No problem, well played. Shreya from Chirk International School, Hyderabad. If A is 3 times as efficient as B and A can complete a work in 40 days less than B, find in how many days both can complete the work. Options please. 20, 40, 50 या 15. 10 seconds.
Sir, option C.
Please lock option C, 15. Sorry, it's the wrong answer. Option A, 20 is the right answer. No problem, Shreya. You have one more chance. If 45% of a number is added to another number, the first number becomes 1.35 times of another number. What is the ratio of these two numbers? Options please. 8:7, 3:2, 7:9, none of these.
Sir, option C.
Please lock option C, 7:9. That's the right answer. Rajat Singh from Chirk International School, Hyderabad. If 10 men and 15 women together can complete a work in 6 days, it takes 100 days for one man alone to complete the same work. How many days will be required for one woman alone to complete the same work? Options please. 90, 225, 145, 150. Seven seconds.
Option D 150 days.
Please lock option D, 150. Sorry, wrong answer. Option A, 90 is the right answer. The length of a train and that of a platform are equal. If with a speed of 90 kilometers per hour, the train crosses the platform in 1 minute, then the length of the train in meters is, options please, 500, 600, 750, 900.
Option C 750 meters.
Please lock option C, 750. Right answer. Siddharth from Kennedy High, the global school. There are 4 prime numbers written in ascending order. The product of first 3 is 385 and that of last 3 is 1001. The last number is, options please, 11, 13, 17, 19.
Option C 17.
Option C. That's the wrong one, dear. Option D, 19 stands the right answer. No problem. The sum of money is to be distributed among A, B, C, D in a proportion of 5:2:4:3. If C gets rupees 1000 more than D, what is B's share? Options please. Rupees 500, rupees 1500, rupees 2000, none of these.
Option C 2000.
Option C, 2000. Lock please. Right. Lucky Reddy from Mount Basil High School, Mahbubnagar. At Atal, when bleach was found to have loss of 20% of its length and 10% of its breadth. The percentage of the decrease in area is, options please, 10%, 10.08%, 20%, 28%.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 20%. That's the wrong answer. 28% is the right answer. Okay, no problem. Out of 9 persons, 8 persons spend rupees 30 each for their meals. The ninth one spends rupees 20 more than that of average expenditure of all 9. The total amount spent by all of them was. Please understand the question. Read it. It's a linkage one. Options please. Rupees 260, rupees 290, rupees 267.50, rupees 400.50.
Option A.
Please lock option A, rupees 260. That's the wrong one, dear. Rupees 290 stands the right one. No problem. Vaishnavi from Ekashila Public School, Jangam. If 25% of a number is subtracted from a second number, then the second number reduced to its 5/6. What is the ratio of the first number to the second number? Options please. 1:3, 2:3, 3:2, none of these.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 2:3. That's the right one. Sita went to the stationery and bought things worth rupees 25, out of which 30 paisa went on sales tax on the taxable purchases. If the tax rate was 6%, then what was the cost of the tax-free items? You got it? Options please. Rupees 15, rupees 15.70, rupees 19.70, rupees 20.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 19.70. Sorry, wrong answer. Rupees 20 stands the right answer. No problem, well played. Anirudh from St. Peter's School, Hyderabad. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 50 and 250 respectively. If the first number is divided by 2, the quotient is 50. The second number is, options please, 50, 100, 125, 250.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 125. That's the right one. The difference between compound interest and simple interest on a sum of 2 years at 10% per annum. When the interest is compounded annually, rupees 16, if the interest were compounded half yearly, the difference in two interests would be. Options please. Rupees 24.81, rupees 26.90, rupees 31.61, rupees 32.40. Last 10 seconds.
Option D.
Please lock option D, rupees 32.40. That's a wrong one, dear. B, 26.90 stands the right thing. Now we move on to the next round, that is a third tiebreaker round. Let's invite the first contestant, Midun Sai from Teja Vidyalaya, Kudada. A student was asked to find the arithmetic mean of the numbers 3, 11, 7, 9, 15, 13, 19, 17, 21, 14 and x. He found the mean to be 12. What should be the number place of x? Options on the screen please. 3, 7, 17, 31. Five seconds. 3 seconds. Sorry. Well tried. No problem. Abhiraj from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. The sum of the present ages of a person and his daughter is 42 years. 6 years hence, the ratio of their ages will be 7:2. Find the difference between their present ages. Options please. 38, 30, 24, 20.
Option B.
Please lock option B, 30. Right answer. Prajna from Vikas Concept School, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. The perimeter of a square is twice the perimeter of a rectangle. If the perimeter of a square is 72 centimeters and the length of the rectangle is 12 centimeters, what is the difference between the breadth of the rectangle and the side of the square? Options please. 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 18 centimeters.
A. 12.
Sure?
Yep.
Please lock 8, 12. That's the right one. Inviting Shreya from Chirk International School, Hyderabad. Find the next number in the series. 46, 69, 138, 345, 1035. Next term in the series. Options please. 4457, 3545, 3099, 3825.
Sir, option B.
Please lock option B. Sorry, Shreya, it's the wrong answer. Option C stands to be the right answer. No problem. Well played. Rajat from Chirk International School, Hyderabad. On a construction site, the mean wage of 150 workers working in a factory running with 3 shifts with 60, 40, 50 workers is 114. The mean wage of 60 workers working in the first shift is 121.50 and that of 40 workers working in the second shift is 107.75. Find the mean wage of these who are working in the third. You got it?
Yes.
Options please. 100, 110, 120, 115.75.
Option C.
Please lock
120.
option C, 120. That's a wrong one, dear. 110 is the right answer. No problem. Well played, well played. Siddharth from Kennedy High, the Global School, Hyderabad. Vikram can complete a work in 49 more days than in which Vikram and Mohan together can do the same work. And Mohan can do the same work in 40 days less than that of Vikram. Find in how much time Mohan and Vikram can complete the whole work together. And your options: 40 days, 21 days, 23 days, 35 days. Last 5 seconds.
Option B, 21.
Please lock option B, 21. That's the right one. Vaishnavi from Ekashila Public School, Jangam. There are some balls of different colors in a bag. The number of blue balls is twice the number of white balls and the number of red balls is thrice the number of blue balls. If total number of balls in the bag is 54, then find the number of red balls present in the bag. Got it? Options please. 6, 12, 24, 36. Nine seconds. 4 seconds.
Option C.
Please lock option C, 24. That's the wrong one, dear. Option D, 36 is the right answer. No problem. Well played. Anirudh from St. Peter's School, Hyderabad. The ratio of milk and water is 3:2 in a milksman container. He adds some water in the solution and the volume of the content increased by 50%. Then he replaces 30 liters of the resultant solution with water. The resultant ratio of milk to water in final solution is 3:7. Find the original volume of the solution. Options please. 80 liters, 130 liters, 65 liters, 160 liters. Three seconds.
Option B.
Option B. Please lock option B. Wrong, dear. Option D, 160 is the right answer. No problem. Well played. Now we move on to the next round and call upon the first contestant, Sai Krishna from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan Public School. In a private firm, 60% of the employees are females and 75% of the male employees earn more than 35,000 per year. If 45% of the company's employees earn more than 35,000 per year, then what percentage of the female employees earn 35,000 per year or less? Options please. 50%, 70%, 75%, 80%.
20%.
70%. Option B, please. Wrong answer, dear. 75% is the right answer. No problem. Well tried. Well tried. Abhiraj from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Hyderabad. 40 men can build a wall in 30 days. After Y days, 15 men left the work. And the whole work was completed in 42 days. Find the number of days after which 15 men left the work. Options please. 10, 32, 25, 15.
Option D, 15.
Option D, 15. Please lock. That's the right one. Pradnya from Vikas Concept School, Bachupalli, Hyderabad. The breadth of a cuboid is 20% less than its length and its height is 10% more than its breadth. The cost of painting the box at the rate of 2 per meter square is 5,960. Find the length of the cuboidal box assuming that box is completely closed. Options on the screen please. 20 meters, 22 meters, 25 meters, 18 meters.
A 20.
Please lock A, 20 meters. That's a wrong one, dear. 18 meters stand as the right one. No problem. Well tried. Well played. Siddharth from Kennedy High, the Global School. Amit and Ria are friends. Each has some money. If Amit gave 30 to Ria and then Ria will have twice the money left with Amit. But if Ria gives 10 to Amit, then Amit will have thrice as much as is left with Ria. How much money does Amit and Ria have? Please understand the question. Options on the screen, please. 60-34, 60-34, 60-30, 60-30.
Option C, 60.
Please lock 6.
C.
Please lock C. That's the right answer. Now we move on to the bronze part. Let me invite Pradnya back. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of the total valid votes, 20% of the votes were invalid. The total number of votes was 7,500. The number of valid votes that the other candidates got was Options please. 2500, 2700, 2932.
B. 2700.
Sure?
Yep.
Please lock option B 2700. It's the right answer. Sai Krishna Kartikeya, Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Hyderabad. If a car runs at 45 kilometers per hour, it reaches its destination late by 10 minutes. But if it runs at 60 kilometers per hour, it is late by 4 minutes. What is the correct time for the journey? Please understand this expression. Options please. 24 minutes, 14 minutes, 32 minutes, 20 minutes. Last 10 seconds.
C32.
Please lock C32. That's the right one. Let me invite Pradnya back. A can complete a work in 36 days. B is 33.33% more efficient than A. In how many days both complete the work if they work on alternative days starting with A? Options please. 26 days, 30 days, 28 days, 31 days.
B. 30 days.
Option B, 30 days, please. That's the wrong answer, dear. Option A, 26 is the right answer. No problem. Sai Krishna Karthik from Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Total surface area of a cylinder is 1100 square centimeters and the ratio of its height so to its diameter is 9:7. Find the total surface area of a hemisphere whose radius is equal to the diameter of the cylinder. Options are 1232, 2468, 1788, 1848.
B. 2464.
Option B 2464. That's the wrong answer. Option D is the right answer. Stay back. One more question. A and B started business with rupees 600 and 500 respectively. After 4 months, C replaces B with X% of B's capital. After 1 year, C's share of profit out of total profit 24,000 is 5,600. Find the value of X. Please understand the question properly. Options please. 60, 70, 75, 66. Last 4 seconds.
B.
Option B. Please lock option B. Sorry, wrong answer. Option D, 66 is the right answer. Let me invite Ridna back. Ashish's age is 2/5 the age of her mother. 9 years, hence, her age will be half of her mother's age that time. What is her mother's present age? Options are 45, 22, 54, 36.
A. 45.
Sure?
Sure.
Please lock option A 45. That's the right one. Now we move on for playing for gold and silver. Abhiraj from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Hyderabad. 3 times a number is 20% more than twice another number when increased by 105. If twice the first number increased by 36 is 20% less than 3 times of second number, then what is the first number? Your options: 150, 162, 180, none of these. 8 seconds.
Option B.
Option B. Please lock option B 162. That's the right one. Siddharth from Kennedy High, the global school. 2 hours after a freight train leaves Delhi, a passenger train leaves the same station traveling in the same direction at an average speed of 16 kilometers per hour. After traveling 4 hours, the passenger train overtakes the freight train. The average speed of the freight train was. Options please. 32, 20, 16, 14.
Option A.
Please lock option A, 32. Sorry, that's the wrong answer, but it's okay.
Let me announce the bronze winner, Pradnya Ambatipudi from Vikas Concept School, Bachupalli. Okay, let me announce silver. Siddharth Raghava from Kennedy High, the global school. Congratulations. Abhiraj Chauhan is a gold winner, Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Public School, Jubilee Hills.